Meaning of Last Judgement.
Last Judgement.
Last Judgement.
Last Judgement.
Last Judgement. The term Last Judgement refers to a religious belief that is present in many faiths including Christianity, Islam, and Judaism. It is the belief that at the end of time, God will judge all of humanity, both the living and the dead. The Last Judgment is seen as a final assessment of all human actions and will determine the ultimate fate of every person's soul. In Christianity, it is believed that Jesus Christ will be the judge and will separate the righteous from the unrighteous, sending them to heaven or hell respectively. The idea of the Last Judgment has been a major theme of art, literature, and theology throughout history.